Present tense. Present tense used to show present time action. 1. Present simple. Subject plus V1 plus S/ES plus object. Examples: I eat rice. He plays football. 2. Present continuous. Subject plus is/am/are plus verb dash ing plus object. Examples: I'm eating rice. She is playing football. 3. Present perfect subject plus has/have plus V3 plus object. Examples: I have eaten rice. He has played football. 4. Present perfect continuous subject plus has/have been plus verb ing plus object. Examples: I have been eating rice. She has been playing football. Past tense. Past tense used to show past time action. 1. Past simple. Subject plus V, 2 plus object. Examples: I ate rice. He played football. 2. Past continuous. Subject plus was/were plus verb ing plus object. Examples: arrow. I was eating rice. She was playing football. 3. Past perfect. Subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Examples: arrow. I had eaten rice. He had played football. 4. Past perfect continuous subject plus had been plus verb ing plus object. Examples: arrow. I had been eating rice. She had been playing football. Future tense. Future tense arrow used to show future time action. 1. Future. Simple subject plus will plus V1 plus object. Examples: arrow. I will eat rice. He will play football. 2. Future continuous subject plus will be plus verb ing plus object. Examples: arrow. I will be eating rice. She will be playing football. 3. Future perfect subject plus will have plus V3 plus object. Examples: arrow. I will have eaten rice. He will have played football. 4. Future perfect continuous subject plus will have been plus verb ing plus object. Examples: arrow. I will have been eating rice. She will have been playing football. I hope this lesson helped you understand English tenses clearly. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more grammar lessons.